Alright, have you ever had an amazing novel idea but ended up staring at a blank page, wondering where to even begin? If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. Coming up with ideas is often the easy part. Turning those ideas into a finished book is where most writers get stuck. The good news is that today I'm going to show you a tool that can make the entire process much more organized and far less overwhelming. It's called Steamy Co-Author, and if you've ever wanted to use Claude or ChatGPT as a true writing partner instead of just a chatbot, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. Unlike many AI writing tools that simply generate random chapters when you type a prompt, Steamy Co-Author follows a structured system. Instead of jumping straight into writing, it helps you build a strong foundation for your novel. Think of it as having an experienced publishing assistant guiding you through every stage of the creative process. So how does it actually work? The process starts by uploading the Steamy Co-Author framework and style pack into either Claude or ChatGPT. Once you've done that, you simply use the included setup prompt. From there, the AI doesn't just start writing your novel immediately. Instead, it walks you through a guided planning session. You'll answer questions about your story idea, your characters, the setting, the emotional tone, and the overall direction of your book. At every step, the AI offers creative suggestions and explains different options, making it much easier to develop your ideas without feeling lost. After the planning stage, the system automatically creates several important documents that professional authors often use. These include a detailed story Bible that keeps your plot organized, a world Bible for your setting and background information, complete character profiles, a chapter-by-chapter outline, and a story state document that tracks everything happening throughout your novel. One of my favorite features is the story state document. If you've ever used AI to write long stories before, you've probably noticed that it sometimes forgets important details. Characters suddenly change personalities, relationships get mixed up, or plot points disappear completely. The story state document helps prevent that by updating after every chapter, so Claude or ChatGPT always has the latest information before writing the next section. Instead of asking AI to generate an entire novel in one sitting, Steamy Co-Author works chapter by chapter. After each chapter is completed, you can review it, make adjustments, give feedback, and then continue to the next chapter. This gives you much greater creative control while keeping the story consistent from beginning to end. Another feature worth mentioning is the included style pack. According to the creators, it helps reduce repetitive wording, avoid common AI writing patterns, improve pacing, and produce more natural-sounding prose. While you'll still want to edit your manuscript before publishing, having cleaner first drafts can save a significant amount of time. Steamy Co-Author doesn't stop after your manuscript is finished either. The package also includes training that walks you through formatting your book for Kindle, preparing it for Amazon KDP, creating covers, setting prices, and understanding the basics of self-publishing. For anyone completely new to publishing, this extra guidance can be extremely valuable. If you've been struggling with blank page syndrome, inconsistent AI output, or simply feeling overwhelmed by the idea of writing an entire novel, Steamy Co-Author offers a step-by-step workflow that can make the process much more manageable. Whether you're interested in romance, fantasy, thriller, or other fiction genres, having a clear roadmap can make all the difference. If you'd like to learn more about Steamy Co-Author, check out the link in the description below for additional information, pricing, and any available bonuses. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future videos about AI writing tools, self-publishing, and content creation. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.